Hey guys, Brian with VetteSource back again on another close to winter day here, afternoon. Checking out some of the field find collections in my buddy's collection of project and parts cars. Today I'm going to be looking at a 1971 Olds Cutlass notchback coupe. I don't know how they we got the hatchback cars and we got the notchbacks. I'm not as sure on the Oldsmobiles how they designated them. This one here was a car acquired through the salvage auction. If I remember correctly, this does have a salvage title. Does have some corrosion. It is a Cutlass Supreme, if I'm remembering correctly. Kind of murdered out, I guess is what they're referring to it now, blacked out. This was originally that avocado green interior. You can see that on the dash still with that wood trim. Car showing 36,000 miles on it. I'm sure it might have flipped. This was the proverbial grandma's car. It's got a pretty cool shifter in it. There are the grills right there. But one thing about this car is it did, and amazingly enough, let me get back to this, these floorboards are not as terrible as I would have expected. Solid car, but this little girl got hammered, got into a wreck, and bent the frame right back there in the firewall. So it took a beating. Now this hood, for those questioning, it's not for sale separately. It is an aftermarket hood. It's not an original GM, but I don't even think they make these aftermarket hoods anymore, so these are pretty hard to find, these ram air hoods for the Oldsmobiles. Of course, there's your motor. I think I remember looking this up a few years back. This was a 350 engine. For guys that are interested, there's our trim tag right there. So I'm holding the hood up so I can't keep that cam on. But it's, you know, there is a new frame, not a new frame, but another used frame that comes with this car. If you have an interest in it, it is kind of cool. I think personally it'd probably be easier just to drop another frame underneath it. The other frame for it. You can see those avocado green seat belts, original belts in here that hang on the roof. For those who don't know, back in the day when shoulder belts became a thing, the shoulder belts actually belted in separately. They were hung up on the roof. It's kind of an interesting way they did this. Let's see here. I think this is the original GM, yeah, lap portion, and this was in March of 71, so this would be a later 71 Cutlass. But again, you see this is what's here. Don't think I had, no, I don't have the access to the trunk, but it is here. So if you have an interest in this car, you can reach me at 832-654-7367. My name is Brian with VetteSource, and I'll be featuring another one of these cars tomorrow in one of my next videos. So thanks for watching, guys. If you got any comments or anything you'd like to add to it, just let me know. Thanks.